I got a call the other day from a veteran who is interested in doing 0% down for a veteran's loan, and wondering if there was a loan limit for that. So let's talk a little bit about veterans loans and loan limits. Hey guys, it's Mortgage Mel and it's time for today's Mortgage Minute. If you are a veteran, first of all, thank you very much for your service. And secondly, your entitlement can be tied into your current home. So if you are selling your current home, then you will have full entitlement restored. If you're not selling your current home, then you may still have a proportion of entitlement that can be used for a new purchase. And that's something that you need to ask your lender. But assuming full entitlement has been restored, is there a loan limit? And the answer is no, there actually isn't. Now, what will decide this eligibility for you? One, if you have a good debt to income ratio and your residual income calculation is okay. In other words, can you pay your other bills and also afford the mortgage payment? The second factor is, what's your credit? If you have very low credit, it's going to be obviously harder to qualify for a very large loan amount. But if you have really good credit, then the larger loan amounts may work just fine with zero down payment. Let's get a little bit deeper into this. If you have full entitlement, you can borrow as much as a lender will approve you for without a down payment. This is true regardless of the county loan limit. The lender approval will depend on your credit, income, debt to income ratio, and residual income requirements. We just talked about that. When you may need a down payment, if you do not have a full entitlement, for example, we talked about keeping your current home, or you lost some due to a short sale or a foreclosure, then you're subject to county loan limits. In that case, if your loan amount exceeds the conforming loan limit, which is $766,550 in most counties in 2025, you would need to make a down payment equal to 25% of the amount over the limit based only on the remaining entitlement. The quick summary: full entitlement restored equals no loan limit, no down payment required regardless of price, and a partial entitlement or more than one VA loan equals county loan limits apply and may trigger a required down payment. So if you need help figuring that out, I'm happy to answer in the comments. If you have other questions regarding VA loans, you can also ask those in the comments. I'm happy to answer. If you like this content, give me a like and a follow, and I hope you have a great day.